My name is Curtis Watson.
How long have you been a fisherman, sir?
From the time I was 16 years old to now. I am 47 right now.
What's the current situation here in the Bridgetown Fisheries?
Right now, all the boats are here destroying. Everyone get destroying here because you see that's coming over the swell, coming over the walls and matching the boats. Right now, my boat there, so the stem damage. And you can see the boats here, so coming shore. Have 3 or 4 boats above there on land already, and it getting worse and worse every minute. We need some help down here.
Okay.
As soon as we get help, we will feel better.